Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new top 5 best-selling mechanical watch in 2025 product on Aliexpress with discount price. Check discount price and buy from description below link. In the competitive world of horology, where legacy brands and microbrands battle for the attention of discerning watch enthusiasts, San Martin has carved a unique place. In 2025, San Martin is no longer just a homage watch brand from China. It has evolved into a respected name in the affordable luxury watch segment. With impressive craftsmanship, original designs, and upgraded materials, San Martin continues to win the hearts of collectors worldwide. This article explores how San Martin watches in 2025 reflect growth, innovation, and value, making them a worthy contender for anyone looking to own a reliable and stylish timepiece. A brief overview of San Martin. San Martin is a Chinese watch brand that started gaining global attention around 2017 to 2019 for producing high-quality homage watches, timepieces that respectfully mimicked iconic designs from Rolex, Seiko, Omega, and others, but at much lower prices. However, over time, San Martin moved beyond homage and began creating original designs, improving materials, and offering exceptional specifications for the price. By 2025, the brand is known not only for its value but for its dedication to horological craftsmanship. What's new in 2025? San Martin has stepped up its game with the following advancements: upgraded movements. In 2025, San Martin is offering premium automatic movements from Seiko, New Hampshire 35, New Hampshire 36, Miyota 9015, Solita SW200, PT 5000 and Hangzhou automatic calibers. These movements are regulated in-house, often achieving -10 seconds per day accuracy, comparable to watches 3x the price. Premium materials. The brand now regularly includes sapphire crystals with AR coating, ceramic and aluminum bezel inserts, grade 316L and 904L stainless steel cases, titanium builds, select models, Super Luminova, C3, BGW9, Lume for night readability. Original designs. San Martin in 2025 has launched several non-homage models, featuring minimalist dials with applied indices, skeletonized or open heart movements, retro diver and field watch aesthetics. Collaboration with independent designers. These show that San Martin is more than a homage brand, it's a creative force. Popular San Martin watch models in 2025. San Martin SN004G. Inspired by classic dive watches, but with a unique dial texture. Features NH35 movement, 200M water resistance. Fully brushed. Case with coin edge bezel. Price, $250. San Martin SN020T. A titanium field watch with 38mm case and screw-down crown. Powered by the Miyota 9015 movement. Lightweight and perfect for everyday wear. San Martin Skeleton Master. A modern open heart design with sapphire exhibition caseback. ST2100. Movement. Clone of ETA 2824. Great finishing and sporty elegance. Price, $400. San Martin GMT. Pro 904L stainless steel, ceramic bezel, and a PT 5000 GMT movement. Ideal for travelers and collectors. Price, $450. San Martin Heritage Series. Limited edition watches inspired by vintage Chinese military models. Hand wound movement, domed crystal, faded lume. Appeals to collectors and enthusiasts. Price, $300. Why watch enthusiasts love San Martin in 2025? 1. Excellent value for money. You're getting features like sapphire glass, ceramic bezel, and automatic movements that usually appear in watches priced above $700, for less than half the price. Build quality. San Martin watches are built solid. The tolerances, finishing, and attention to detail often surprise even seasoned watch collectors. Global reach. Through platforms like Aliexpress, Amazon, and San Martin's official website, the brand is available worldwide. Affordable price. Whether you're a casual buyer or a horology nerd, San Martin gives you unbeatable value and craftsmanship. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Best Mechanical Watch 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.